I truly believe corrector and concealer is the secret of the universe. It helps women look less tired, brighter, fresher, and that's a gift for all women. The first thing you do is choose the color. I recommend going with the foundation sticks. Test it on the side of your face and your forehead to make sure it's the right color. Make sure it blends in. If there's two different tones, I suggest going for the warmer color. Once you've chosen the right color, layer the corrector first and then the concealer. Corrector is designed for very dark circles or days when you need more coverage. It brightens and neutralizes discoloration that some women have under the eyes. Concealer is one shade lighter than your foundation in a yellow tone and works perfectly on top of corrector to brighten dark circles. When you apply the corrector, use a brush starting at the inner corner underneath the eye. Step back and make sure that your corrector did what it's supposed to do. It's not too white, it's got enough brightness, and then apply the concealer on top. Make sure it's covering the redness. Go up on the inner corner of the eye, up into the eyelid, but not on the eyelid because then the eyeshadow will crease. Make sure you clean the brush between steps because the products don't work when you mix them together, but they work as layering. Then you put your powder on top with either a powder puff or a brush that will hold it in place, and also apply it on the eyelid and make sure there's enough powder. The way to choose the right color powder, which will set your corrector and concealer, is either the pale yellow, which works on about 90% of women's skin tone, or the white. Pale yellow works on anyone from an ivory to a sand up until espresso. Anyone lighter than an ivory will probably wear the white powder, and the best way to judge that is if the powder looks yellow after you've applied it, just switch it to white. What a difference. Try it yourself.